Google just gave Gemini Spark something that changes how solo operators use Google Workspace. It can work across Gmail, Google Docs, Calendar, and Sheets as an agent that can actually take actions across your workflow. Not just suggest, execute. And at the very end of this video, I am going to show you the one setup move most people skip that makes the difference between an agent that thinks about your work and one that actually does it. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers build service businesses using free AI tools without the software stack most people tell you to buy first. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full step-by-step system I use to turn tools like this into actual client income, my AI Night Shift course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that I want to see who is in. Here is what is actually happening. Most email marketing platforms with multi-step automation charge you somewhere between $70 and $120 a month, depending on your list size and how many sequences you are running. You are paying that before you have closed your first client, before you have sent your first campaign. That is the subscription tax for staying organized and executing follow-up at scale. Google is bringing that kind of execution directly into the Workspace ecosystem through Gemini Spark. If you already have access to Spark, you can automate work across tools you may already be using without adding another dedicated automation platform. Gemini Spark is not just another chatbot. It is an agent, and the difference matters. A chatbot answers your question and stops. An agent takes the instruction, pulls context from multiple sources, and executes across apps. Spark can work with information in Sheets, create drafts in Gmail, update documents, and manage calendar tasks as part of a larger workflow. I am calling this the execution layer system. It is not about having the smartest AI. It is about having an AI that can act across the tools you already use every single day, without requiring you to learn a new dashboard or export your data somewhere else. Gmail handles the conversations. Sheets holds the lead data. Docs holds your templates and working documents. Calendar handles scheduling. Gemini Spark becomes the agent connecting those pieces and taking action across the workflow. Let me show you how this actually works in practice. You open a Google Sheet with your lead list, names, companies, last contact date, service they inquired about. You highlight that range and you tell Gemini Spark to draft follow-up emails for every lead who has not responded in 30 days. Personalize to their industry. Reference the service they asked about. Keep it under 100 words. The agent pulls that context, writes each email inside Gmail as a draft, and tags them with a label you specify. You review, you send. That workflow used to require a platform subscription, a Zapier integration, and about 45 minutes of setup per campaign. Here is what that actually looks like for someone running lead reactivation as a service. 1. Google Sheet, 300 dormant leads from a local HVAC company. Gemini Spark drafts the reactivation sequence in under 20 minutes. Each email references the original inquiry. Each one has a clear next step. The business owner reviews them, approves the batch, and they go out. 2 days later, they start getting replies from homeowners who forgot they ever reached out. You charge $400 for that campaign. The tool costs you nothing to run. Most email platforms lock multi-step personalization behind a plan that starts at $70 a month minimum. Your version runs for free because it is built on infrastructure the client already pays for. Now, here is where this gets actually useful for someone running email marketing or lead reactivation services. The agent does not just write the emails. It can schedule send times based on your calendar availability. It can drop a task in Docs reminding you to follow up on replies. It can update the sheet with send timestamps and open rates if you connect it to Gmail tracking. That is the execution layer working. 1 instruction, 4 apps, 0 platform fees. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand the output to a client without one more step. That is where it falls apart. There is a configuration move you have to handle first, or the whole thing looks amateur and the agent starts guessing instead of executing. I am walking you through that right now. Think about a solo operator offering email follow-up campaigns to local service businesses, plumbers, electricians, roofers. These companies have lead lists sitting in spreadsheets doing nothing because nobody has time to manually reach back out. You use Gemini Spark to build a reactivation campaign. You charge $350 per campaign. The business gets replies from people who went cold 6 months ago. You did not pay for an email platform. You did not export their data to a third-party CRM. You stayed inside Google Workspace and let the agent do what most platforms charge a monthly fee to automate. Or think about someone running social media content for local clients. Google Docs holds the content calendar. Google Sheets tracks performance. Gemini Spark pulls last month's top posts from the sheet, rewrites variations for next month inside Docs, and drops scheduling reminders in Calendar. That is a $200 a month retainer built on free infrastructure. The client does not know you are not using a paid scheduling tool. They just see content showing up on time with performance improving month over month. And listen, if you have not already grabbed my AI Night Shift course at that viewer pricing, it is linked in the description. Normally $197. Right now, it is under $30 for people coming from this video. That is the full framework for turning tools like this into predictable monthly income. Drop a comment if you are heading over. I want to see who is taking me up on that. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is a real scenario. A freelancer is working with a real estate agent who has 400 leads in a Google Sheet. Half of them went cold after the first contact. The agent wants them reactivated, but does not have time to personalize outreach for 400 people. The freelancer opens the sheet, highlights the cold leads, and tells Gemini Spark to draft follow-up emails offering a free home valuation, personalized by neighborhood. Each email references the area the lead originally inquired about. Gemini Spark writes all 200 emails as Gmail drafts in 18 minutes. The freelancer reviews them, tweaks 3, sends the batch. Within 48 hours, the real estate agent has 12 responses from people ready to book valuations. The freelancer charged $500 for the campaign. The tool cost $0. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The setup move most people skip is this. You have to tell Gemini Spark where your source of truth lives for each task type. If you want it to draft emails, you tell it the sheet is the lead source and Gmail is the execution layer. If you wanted to build a content calendar, you tell it Docs holds the templates and Sheets tracks the schedule. That instruction is what separates an agent that guesses from one that executes with accuracy. Without it, the agent will pull context from random files and produce output that does not match your actual workflow. With it, the agent knows exactly where to look and exactly where to write. That one move is the difference between a system that holds up with real clients and one that breaks in week 2. Picture this. 30 days from now, you are running 3 lead reactivation campaigns at the same time. One for a chiropractor, one for a plumber, one for a local gym. All 3 campaigns are running inside Google Workspace. Gemini Spark is drafting the emails, scheduling the send times, tracking the replies. You are not paying for an email platform. You are not exporting lead lists to a third-party tool. You are staying inside the stack your clients already use and charging them for execution they cannot do themselves, because they do not have time. That is what changes when the execution layer is live in your business. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.